Good afternoon and welcome to another Beetle video. This 2007 VW Beetle convertible, and in this video I'm going to repair the driver's door window regulator. So in the previous video I noticed the regulator was on its way out, so I'm going to try tear it all apart. I'm going to do it all off camera because you've seen it all in previous video for other door. So get the regulator out and we'll get it in the shed. So I just thought I'd show you a little something. Here, if you can see on the regulator, you can see the wires all frayed. So we had this down here in the previous video. Just pull this off, you can see a bit of fray in there, but yeah, we can see regulator's definitely going, so we've caught this one just in time. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the wire, and that should free the regulator so I can get the glass out. So I'll do that off camera because it's just a couple of Torx bolts. So once I'm able to move that glass a bit further up, I can get that out, and I can get the regulator out. So I didn't even need to cut the wires. I just managed to pull this out and just unravel all the wire, and out it came. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to got my repair kit. They're about £10 on eBay. So same as the other side, just swap it all out and get it all running again, and it can be fitted back in and we're sorted. I'll do this all off camera. You saw it on a previous video and it's exactly the same. I managed to get it all put back together, and I had to replace one wire. It's this top wire that goes down here. As you can see, that was all tangled up and frayed, so yep, definitely needed to be replaced. So I'm going to put this all back in the car. I'm going to do it off camera, you don't need to see that. I'll show you when I'm all done. Unfortunately things didn't work out. I got it all together, and when I tested it, it started working and it started making some horrible noise and it destroyed the regulator. So going to need a new regulator. I'll get one ordered up and we'll carry this on as soon as I've got the replacement regulator. Now on another note, I've received this sticker from a lovely lady called Everyday Solace. She's a scrapper, and I think she's she's past 100 subscribers, so please subscribe to her channel if you're into that sort of thing, and we'll get this sticker on the toolbox. So there's a sticker added to the collection of the YouTubers I subscribe to, and some of them do live streams every week, so I'm on their lives. If anyone's up for a sticker swap, just let me know. Emails in the channel page and in the description. I'll get back to you as soon as I've got this replacement regulator. It's been a couple of weeks later and I've got the new part, so I'm going to fit it. I'm going to do all that off camera because you've seen all the things I do out to get the regulator out and everything, so it just a matter of fitting the part, and I'll come back to you when it's done. So I finally got it all fixed and it's fully working. So as you can see, when I open the door, it pulls the window down a bit, and same when it closes, just wind the window all the way down. The one touch works and goes all the way up, fully working. So I'm pleased with that. So that's this window sorted out. So good in the video here. Stretched out over quite a bit of time, so please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.